Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Maharaja Whiteline Lava Happiness Neo Halogen Heater. Okay, so this particular halogen heater is a 1200 watt halogen heater, as it's written over here. There's some specifications mentioned. I should also mention that this particular heater is certified by ISI. Also mentioned there's some specifications which are multi-heat setting. There are 3 heat settings that comes with this particular heater. Smooth oscillation, it comes with 180 degrees rotation. Shockproof body, high-grade body construct to ensure safety. 1 year of warranty, cool touch body, and tip over safety switch, which basically means heater turns off automatically if accidentally falls down or kept on uneven surface, which means you need an even surface or a flat surface for this particular machine to work. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have an instruction manual for the Maharaja Whiteline Lava Room Heater. Everything that you want to know is mentioned over here. This is the 100 degree 80 swivel base, so this will go on top. I'll show you how that's done. And now let's take a look at the halogen heater itself. So this particular heater comes with 3 halogen lamps. I don't even see this. 1, 2, 3 halogen lamps at the front. Also notice there are 2 meshes here, this particular grill, and then there's another metallic mesh right over here. And at the back there is a stainless steel reflector. So this stainless steel reflector is what is used to transmit the heat throughout the room. The Maharaja Whiteline logo over here. This entire heater comes with a off-white and red color combination. Speaking of red, this pretty large handle on top. Also, this heater is made out of really shockproof material. This is solid material. It's metallic. This side is metallic and the front side is made out of ABS plastic, but they're both very solid and shockproof. There's some buttons over here. I don't know if you can see. There you go. This is the on-off button. There's a turn button and there's 400 watt buttons over here. So each of these buttons are for turning on each of the halogen lamps. So each of them are 400, so total of 1200 watt output. Fixing it to the base is pretty easy. Just make sure that all the grooves are in their right place and it should be good to go. Let me just do it, give it a shot. Okay, you have to take off these screws first. That's 1, that's 2. Now this can go in. And the wire also goes in through here. Just do that. I'm not showing the cable over here. It's basically a very basic 3-pin cable with a pretty thick wire over here. And we're now good to go. All I have to do now is to fix these screws inside like this. There, and if you can see this, I'm just fixing the screws right now. That's 1 and this is number 2. And you have your heater ready. I mean, ideally it should be. We'll find out soon enough. So let's make it upright. And there you go. This is a Maharaja Whiteline Lava Happiness Neo Halogen Heater. And this is the 180 degree swivel that we were talking about. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Maharaja Whiteline Lava Happiness Neo Halogen Heater. Thank you for watching.